In a recent survey, 1/3 of all veterans were not aware of the VA Guaranteed Loan Program. And about 2/3 of those veterans said that they didn't think home ownership would ever be a reality for them. Well, my wife and I are on a mission to change that. As a realtor and a former Navy Supply Corps officer, I find it very discouraging that many real estate agents do a poor job explaining this program to their veteran clients, or not even mentioning it. And unfortunately, while you were in the military, or as you were departing, the VA and the Department of Defense did an equally poor job. So, there are 7 myths about this program that I first want to dispel. And then I want to tell you why this program is so important. Well, the 7 myths are these. 1, that you need a down payment, and that's just bunk. You don't need a down payment. That's the entire reason for the program. The second myth is that your credit score may be too low. Well, that's not necessarily true. In fact, the VA does not have a guaranteed minimum credit rating requirement. It's up to the lenders to set this, and many of them set it at around 580 or so. But you need to talk with a lender if you think that might be the case, that your credit rating might be low, because you might be surprised. Myth number three is that your eligibility has expired. Well, it never expires. That's absolutely a myth. Number 4, that members of the reserves or National Guard are not eligible for this program. That's also not true. They're absolutely eligible after 6 years. And we just recently put a member of the Guard in a home in Baldwin, Missouri this last summer. Number 5, that the VA Guaranteed Loan Program can only be used for small and inexpensive homes. That's not true. Number 6, you can only use your VA loan once. That's also not true. If you bought and sold a house with a VA loan and paid that loan off, then you are eligible again. And if you bought a home, lived in it for a while, and are now renting it out, you probably still have some eligibility left. And number 7, that a foreclosure results in a permanent ineligibility. That's absolutely false. In fact, the lender is allowed under VA guidelines to consider a lot of aspects that pertain to that foreclosure, and you may very well be eligible. So I hope this helps dispel the 7 most common myths about the VA Guaranteed Loan Program. Now let me tell you why it's so important. I believe it's your biggest military benefit for 2 reasons. 1, you don't need a down payment. And 2, you will not have to pay private mortgage insurance, which is insurance paid to the lender to make sure you're good on the loan. Well, you don't pay PMI with a VA guaranteed loan. Unlike your non-veteran friends who use FHA loans and have to pay 3.5% of the sales price, or a conventional loan where they have to pay 20% in down payment to avoid having to pay PMI. You don't have to do that. And thankfully, that saves you hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. So again, I think this is your biggest military benefit, if nothing other than how much money it can save you. Well, my wife and I love making home ownership a reality for fellow veterans. And our website, bob.baird.com, again, that's bob.baird.com, is shown in the description below. Check it out, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. And if you will, please like this video and subscribe. That way you'll know when we release the next video, which, by the way, they come out every Thursday. So thank you so much. Best of luck, and stay in touch.